Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Haysom back with my third grade student,
Evelyn.
Evelyn. So Evelyn, right now when you go to school, sometimes you learn about things. And to keep things straight and help you understand, there's lots of different methods that you can use. So sometimes it's just writing things down.
And it's like how in math, you don't have to count by ones, you can count by fives.
Right, well you had to learn one section to learn to the next, right? Then pretty soon you're going to just count by 12s or something weird, I don't know. But the whole purpose is to help you learn how to learn, help you learn how to organize what you've gotten, right? So I wanted to talk to you about two of our critters. What critters do you think I'm going to talk to you about?
A cat and a dog.
A cat and a dog. Yes, we have a cat named Numbers. Numbers. And then we have a dog named Appa. All right, so I wanted to help you organize that information. What I'd like to do is use a Venn diagram and talk about the differences.
Which one is going to be cat, which one's dog?
Well, that's up to you. Why don't you label it how you'd like to help you remember? Would you like to do this side cat and this side dog, or this side cat and that side dog? So you've seen a Venn diagram before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so a Venn
I used
diagram.
to use it a lot.
They help you just to kind of compare, contrast. And right now we have 2 giant circles, but you can have 3 or even more giant circles with overlapping sections, right? Can you show me where the overlapping section is? Exactly. So what does a dog have, or what is a dog that is not a cat? What's a word that they use for dogs versus cats, besides the names dogs and cats? One comes from a family called
Canines.
Canines, exactly. So
And
do you want
then
to write that on the canine side? So those are different families, right?
Yeah. And then cats are felines.
And I know you're extra smart, but I just wanted to give you the idea of how we can use that if, let's say, we were going to later compare peas and carrots, you know, something like that.
So canines, they have long snouts, and they come from wolves. Cats, you could say they come from saber teeth.
Saber teeth?
Yeah, and they have shorter
snouts. Okay, so let's just go with the whole snout thing. So dogs have long snouts. So put a long snout.
And cats have short snouts.
Do dogs, what's different about their feet between cats and dogs?
Dogs, they have claws that...
Are they claws?
Well, nails.
Nails, yeah. And what do cats have?
They have nails that... Cats have claws, and they can be retractable. Dogs can't retract their claws.
Exactly. So we have a difference in the nails and the claws. What about their behaviors? Do you think dogs are more friendly than cats?
Yes.
Or do you think cats listen well and they come really quickly when they're called?
No, that is not num-nums.
That is not num-nums. Yeah.
That's not numbers.
Yeah.
I guess you could say they're social or independent cats.
I would say they're more independent. That's a very good word. And dogs are more friendly, maybe?
Yeah, they're more social.
More social. What about some ways that they're similar?
Well, both cats and dogs have actually whiskers.
Whiskers. Appa has whiskers?
He does.
Oh my goodness. Appa, do you have some whiskers? Good boy.
But
All right, let's go ahead and do that one. I know, I made that column too small, or that area. What about some other things that they have that are similar?
Well, dogs and cats both have tails.
Mm-hmm.
They also, another thing that's similar, they have, well, they can have fur and not fur.
Yeah, they have fur generally. If we're comparing numbers specifically,
Or
and Appa, yeah.
Okay.
What about do they both like a certain type of food?
Yeah, they both like meat.
Meat. Do you see how this can be implemented in comparing and contrasting? I'm glad that you've seen a Venn diagram. If we were going to look at some more things to compare,
Like lizards and
well, what if we were going to compare similar items that still can be different? What about a cockatiel with a cockatoo?
both
Like
of them are birds.
Yeah, exactly.
But they look different.
Yeah,
Their
exactly.
DNA's different.
Or what if we were going to compare maybe stories?
Yes.
Yeah, that would be another way.
Each story, it's a story, but each of them can tell a different tale.
Exactly.
Or choose.
Yeah, so we can even look at like different genres too. Like we look at Wings of Fire versus Dogman, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're a little different. So this can help you as you're learning about things in school. What's nice is when you're going to go and you're going to study, let's say you're going to study parts of this cell, right? We're looking at things so teeny tiny. You can look at the things that they do and what are different, and this will help you learn to have your information. It's called the organizer. What do you think? Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.